tatakil natin on how to make resume for job, the proper order of presentation, the step-by-step guide, and then ba kalaga ang resume upang tayo ay ma-hire. This is the first impression among all. So guys, samahan niyo ko para i-present sa inyo ang tamang paggawa talaga ng resume. So, let's see! What is resume? So resume is the summary of basic information that give them an idea about your skills and knowledge. So dito pa lang, in-introduce mo na yung sarili mo, yung mga skills mo, and yung mga knowledge mo that you have. So, and take note din guys, sa paggawa po ng resume, not more than 3 pages po. Kasi kung ako interviewer mo, tatama rin talaga ako mag-review ng resume mo kung sobrang kapal po yun. So, mga ideal pages lang po is mga 1 to 3 pages. Huwag na pong lumagpas doon. First is the personal information. It includes names, address, contact number, and your email address. Dito na rin po makikita yung formal picture mo bandang right side. Number 2 po is the objective. Dito po, sa objective po, nakalagay yung purpose niyo po, bakit kayo nag-a-apply, and also for the benefits of the company and for the benefits of the self. Number 3 po is the work experience. It includes the name of the company, yung date, kung kailan po kayo na-hire, at kung kailan po kayo nag-end, and then the position, and then the duties and responsibilities. So, kayo na po bahala kung paano nyo po ilagay. Basta makikita lang dito yung mga important details. Number 4 po is the internships po, if ever na meron po kayo. So, parang same lang din po siya sa work experience. Nakalagay lang doon yung name ng company, yung position mo, and then yung date also, and then the duties and responsibilities. Number 5 is the academic background. So, dito nakalagay po yung mga educational attainment mo. Ilagay mo dito yung name ng school, yung year kung kailan kayo nag-graduate. Tapos, nakalagay po siya in highest to lowest po. Halimbawa, from college, down vocational if meron, tapos sunod po secondary, and then the primary. So, mas nauna po yung recent lang po. So, number 6 po is the recognitions. If ever meron kayo, ilagay nyo na po kasi dagdag points din ito. Number 7 is skills. So, dito po makikita po na halimbawa, good communication skills, computer literate, proficient in Excel. Pero ang nakalagay dito kasi sa Excel, sa skills is depende pa rin doon sa mga ina-applyan mong work. Number 8 po is the training and seminar. So, una nyo pong ilalagay dito yung most recent one. Tapos yung relevant doon sa work na a-applyan mo. Number 9 po is the membership or the affiliations in organization. It includes the name of the organization, the positions, and the date. Ito po yung mga halimbawa kung yung mga nasasalihan natin ng mga org or yung mga organization. So, ilagay din natin to kasi maging added points din to para habang nag-a-apply tayo or baka sakaling ma-hire tayo. Number 10 po is the personal data. So, yung mga ilalagay lang po natin dito, yung mga information na very important lang po. Number 11 po is the references. So, ilalagay lang po natin dito is available upon request. So, wag na natin isa-isahin po. Pag i-request lang po sa atin, doon lang po natin ibibigay. Last is the signature. So, wag po natin kalimutan na lagyan po ng pirma natin. Kasi may mga nagpapasok po talaga na walang pirma. This is very important guys. Kaya wag nyo pong kalimutan yung part na ito. And that's all guys. Sana may natutunan po kayo sa akin. And then, don't forget to like and subscribe. Especially kung bago ka po sa channel ko. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para ma-update naman kayo for my next vlog po. And that's it guys. God bless and good luck to everyone.